now. There's 81, no, get the 81. Get the 285. Actually, quite a day I've had. It's still quite warm out here, it's 31, but it's still good. Let's get her in hand. Well, we've got to go way down to that doors. Isn't that doors hunting his engines? Oh, yes. Gorgeous. Okay, just go after that safety, customer safety. Now, back at Felton, trying to change the journey home. What a lovely holiday I had. They get a feeling when the holidays at the end to give. So it was like waking up from the most lovely dream. It feels like that. And then go home because home is where the heart is. And it's quite nice to go home. Oh, well, at least the weather's going to cool down. Back to Felton to get my train to Clapham Junction. And then I got straight to the book. Of course, I got to Clapham Junction. How cool is that? Yay! Good dream. I mean, I had during diversity there, aren't they? Yay! Good dream! There you go. Good dream. Yay! Start bus, yay! Wow, that start bus is here. As you can see, that start bus. Yay, we love that bus. Now the train on the divers, considering divers this weekend down the Felton line. Oh wow, is that a diesel whistle? It looks like a diesel whistle. Is it a diesel whistle? It's a diesel whistle. It's a diesel whistle. It's a diesel whistle. Yay! And it's an old livery too. Wow. That's an old diesel whistle. Never seen one of those that old. Wow. That's an old diesel whistle. Yay! Wow, that's so cool. Catch on these still, catch on the train. Yay! Small divers. Oh wow. It's so cool. And it's good that the southwest, I guess, diverse and not the southern one, otherwise then it works. Yay! What's that night train actually? No, it's not night train. There's a dive there. That's a dive there. Another one. It's got a little diversion today. Hello. They're like queuing behind each other. Nice to see you, little train. You're a little train. There you go. There's that bus that goes to that stop. But look, got actually one more bus on bus to flag here. There's definitely a train already behind me. That's good, isn't it? Yeah, that's good. There it is. That's on. As you can see, we love that bus because that bus goes there. We gotta catch our bus now. A train now. Oops. There you go. There's a train there. Oh look, is that livery one again? He's back again, back again. He's double 06 again, isn't he? Oh yes. He's just Nigel. Look at that. How do I see him on the when I ride during my stay and on the way home? That's actually following me. He got something home. I'm not on the diesel weasel though. No, I'd love to go on the diesel weasel train. Train. Anything to go for? That's good to go for. Had a lovely holiday. Yep, I'll relax proper on my sub train, of course. I'm nearly got the junction. Change for a train to book the Yep. Oh, got the junction station. You heading home now? That one platform free. Manchester Live says Forster, but I think it's going to book. That train's coming soon. Train. Oh look, there's a diesel whistle behind it. That's cool. Here comes the train. Time to go home. The seats. Here I am. Next seat to choose. A seat. It's really cool, isn't it? That's easy. Then stroke, see how? Then I go get some something. And then relax. Yeah. He's going out tonight, but I'm not. I gotta stay in. Be a good boy. Get a lovely holiday. It's a normal sleep routine, but because when you're plates, I think you want to get all the plates.
Service will no longer split at Horsham. All 12 coaches will carry on to Bognor Regis.
Oh, that's good, Dad. Worried.
No part of this service is carried on towards the Portsmouth area. Apologies for that. Any passengers who require services towards Portsmouth via Chichester and Havant, you'll need to change at Barnham.
Yay.
Next stop on this service is Three Bridges, followed by Crawley, Horsham, Christ Hospital, Billingshurst, Pulborough, Hamley, Arundel, Ford,
you the way.
Poplar Regis.
Gentlemen,
Next stop is Three Bridges.
shift to touchdown, gentlemen. That's the job.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Poplar Regis. The next station is Three Bridges. Please keep your bags and personal belongings with you at all times.
You?
Next station is Crawley.
Wow, the whole train gets full now. It's funny, not good news to the other two guys pushing it with me. Guys, get my bags, something like here, and a bag, couple bags. That's good. That's why I said this lot when I got suitcase, of course. See what that heat waste done turned through yellow. Hey, wow, the heat wave just touched the ground, doesn't it? It's so getting cloudy. Wow. Oh, how cool is that? Just getting on my train home. Actually good. The horses are there. Here we are. Hello. That's good. Hedge. Nearly back home, hedge oranges. Next. Then bought that dog and took that home. Wow, how about the time? Just go forward, look. Side by side. He held it the half an hour. Look at that. It's how it does it. Maybe some security at the station. That's likely, so I'll go get some food and relax until he did it. Wow, so cool. What a lovely day. Lovely holiday ahead. Yeah. You need to put a new roof on that. Next stop is up there. That's good, isn't it? That's the travel next. The station that's on place. So I guess I'll start there's that too soon. Try go with it. Choo.
The Southern Service to Poplar Regis. The next station is Poplar Regis.
I really hope
Keep your bags and personal belongings with you at all times. If you see something that doesn't look right, report it to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016.
See it, say it, sausage.
Sorted.
That is glider sled. So I'll glider land. Where do you? Landed there for actually. This glider's over there. There he is. She's going for landing. It's hard to see it, but you can see it now. He's landing. I'm resting into your runway. Take me to your runway. No good. Hey, I was get down and watch the hand. With the glider. At the glider edge. At the glider edge. This is quite cool actually. Hey, glider at the glider edge. Hey, you landed. Oh, there's the at the glider edge. That was quite cool actually. Cool. Yeah. At the glider edge. At the train edge. It's Stuart's over there waits to be. Hey. Over there, Stuart. That's good, isn't it? Yay! That's good, isn't it? There's my choo-choo. Oh yes, nice and close to the motor suitcase on me. That's how I like it. And we'll take the train. Close to you. And that's Stuart, where they go. Boxing video, that'll also do a quick one. Took off on ARD when I was away with the Luger XL and the Haxacidic nose loader. That's so cool, isn't it? Wow, so cool. Back home now. Back for the thoughts again, I sense it. So, good night everybody. Have a good sleep.